am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot. I'm Groot.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video you may notice we have another unboxing, and it comes from one of my favorite designers. It's Eduardo Mendoza. You again, man, you're killing it with this kind of cubes. It's a third cube I have from him. I got the Octopus Attack puzzle. I have the skull. You can check the links. Maybe is that there. This is a quite big box. Get rid of that. I think it's been opened by customs. We don't need that. Take it off. Oh, there you go. Where this is the important part. This is the cube itself, I think. There you go. This is the guy we're talking about. It's Groot, baby Groot. If you check out the details of the eyes, it's really amazing. The logo, as usual. Bit stiff. That's alright. We're not trying to make any kind of competition with this kind of cubes. You see, shape shift. Let's try a bit with the. Let's try to make some moves. Yeah, bit stiff, but every new cube you need to loop a bit. That's fine. That's fine. But I think it's not the only thing. Wow. Whoa. Oh. Sorry to say. Well, a bit of a shame. These posts lately, they don't handle. It's supposed to be fragile. Let's fix this hand. Don't blow my fingers, that's all. Alright, we fixed that. Now, we just place it in there. This is a normal 3x3. We put it here, and I'm gonna go back a bit, compare the size of that stand. It's a unique idea. Convert these Rubik's Cubes in popular movie characters, and especially Baby Groot. What about the stand? It's amazing. The hands, the fingers, the muscles that he shows in here. Let's go a bit on the back. Amazing job. Thank you very much, Eduardo. As usual, beautiful.
Thank you very much, Eduardo, for the cube. And now, you coming with me. Bye. Don't even think about it.
Come on! See you next time.